Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabula ads or like that things from your OnePlus tab. So to start, if you see something like that in the notification bar or the spamming pop-ups when trying to put inside, that means you have a notification software and you can try to remove it by 2 ways: system settings and antivirus app. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the first method. Go to the settings, look for the apps, and now go to the app management. Then check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on it, click install, and tap on OK. Now in the second step, go back to the app management and look for your web browser. Then go to the storage usage and tap on the manage space. Choose clear all data and tap on OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so you can launch it now. Tap on the Get Started, Next, and Skip. Now close to ads and choose Continuous Free. Tap on the Start Scan and allow a permission. Click on the switcher and go back to the app. Now always use the deep scan and wait until the end of the process, and after that your tablet should be free from any virus and notification softwares. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.